In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Sublime Text IDE. So let's get started. First thing, just search for Sublime Text. We'll be having the official link. Click it. Here we are having download for Windows. Select this. The download will be getting started. It is just around 15 MB in size, so just be patient. Once the download is complete, open it. We will be getting the Sublime Text setup. This is going to be the default location where it's going to get installed. If you want to change it, click on browse and change it. For me, I'm fine with this. I will click on next, and I'll just have this also. Click on next, and these are the stuff. Click on install. I'll just click on finish. Now if I go to search and type Sublime, we'll be having the Sublime Text app. Open it, and that's it. We'll be getting this Sublime Text IDE. Click on file, open folder. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.